You and your bright fat ideas. This is ridiculous. Where's too furniture in the bag? Oh my god.
I hope it's a bird.
He drowned it in this suit. And all the black crust and everything else that's in there.
You're in the way. Can't see the light that way.
I'm gonna run over you here in a minute.
Go get some duct tape.
Where you go there, duct tape?
Tape your mouth shut. I'm gonna tape a bag on there.
And then when he gets out of there, how you gonna get him out of here? Duct tape all stuck to it.
Never come to the light.
Oh my god. I'll YouTube this mug.
Crap, I dropped the flashlight.
It's right there, I see it.
Go give me a towel.
Oh my. Get it back, Henry. You best not let that thing loose in this house, and I mean it.
Come here and grab the tape.
Use your big fat bright idea.
It ain't gonna get you, I got the towel.
That don't mean nothing. Can't get it. I'm telling you, Thomas.
I've got it here. Get the rest of it. Get your flashlight.
Pull it. Just pull
Get
it.
your flashlight.
Pull it.
Come on, let's
Go out the door.
Let's go out back.
Save that stupid bird's life.
He went right for that tree.